sometimes for our life to become better, the quality of our life should to increase that, we need to change some of our beliefs. And those beliefs can be something that you've seen from childhood, or you have believed in them with everything you have. But you sometimes we need to change that by acknowledging that they are not helping in any process that we're trying to do to reach somewhere or reach our destination. So here are five things that am trying to believe less in, that is slowly making my life better. Before starting, I just want to tell you that I'm trying to believe less in them. I have not acquired my win over them, that I don't believe in them at any cost. I'm just trying to, because now I have become aware that they're not helping me. So every time I'm going in that direction, I remind myself that that is not the only truth that is out there. Okay. So the first thing is that every friendship should last forever. I am a great investor in friendships. I have a lot of friends. I'm a crazy level extrovert and I have a lot of friends. At least it's safe to say I used to have a lot of friends. Now I don't have many due to multiple reasons. I'm not here to only blame them. They are not the only one to take the blame. I am also to take blame for multiple things. So in the beginning, I used to think that if I have made some friends, I need to be with them for the rest of my life. And the biggest person was in trying to keep on that words was me only, because I'm a very extreme kind of person. I'm talking, I'll talk to you the entire day, and I don't want to, then I won't talk to you for weeks, which is not good, but which is me. Yeah. So I then realized that some friendships come, they teach you, they give you warmth and love and good memory, and they just eventually with time fade out, just like your childhood friends. You never fought with each other. There was no like, we're not going to talk tomorrow. It was just eventually you started finding your own ways, and apparently they were different, so now you're not together. That is only, so that is the only truth. So ever since I've started believing in that, that okay, if I have made friends today, they're not supposed to be with me forever. I am a lot more peace. Second is that closure always comes from the other person. Sometimes when you're not talking to somebody, or you want some truth to be come out, or just some closure to attend, and you expect the other person to do something wrong, and that your heart goes all up of them, or something like that. But sometimes the closure is within you. Sometimes whatever you're trying to find outside is in you. And every time that I try to seek something outside, this actually really helps me quite a lot. Third is everybody knows what they're doing. For the longest time, many people who I look up to have said this in their videos, that everybody knows what they're doing, so don't fall for this trap. But when I look at myself, I have hurt multiple people in my life. And but when I look at the process, not a single one of them was intentional, except when I fight with my brother. Not a single one of that was intentional. By that I realized not every time somebody intentionally comes to attack you, or somebody intentionally comes to hurt you. It just eventually apparently happens, and it happens with everybody. That has helped me actually forgive people much more than I used to. And I know that whatever they have done, it might be a mistake. It happens with everybody. It can happen with me also tomorrow. So it has helped me quite a lot. Fourth is being good at something means it should feel easy. This is the biggest thing that I have actually acknowledged. That if because I constantly try to find things which I'm good at, which I can do better, which can be my passion, and which can I can make future of myself in that. But when I start doing something, I feel like this is very hard and I cannot do it. But now I've realized if it is hard, it can take time. And when I basically understand the whole process and I'll be good at this, I might be the greatest at it. So it can happen. So if you're not good at something, doesn't mean you're not made for it, or doesn't mean you cannot be good for it, or it should feel easy. You can try, you can love that, you can just give that some time, and maybe tomorrow you're gonna be the best at that. Who knows? So fourth is hard work is rewarded. Basically, hard work is rewarded, but hard work is never instantly rewarded. Hard work rewards very late. This I learned by the speech of Jeff Bezos, where he was a college dropout. He did learn some um, cursive, or like some language like that. And then when he started making computer, he used that in fonts. So he said that anything you learn, anything you do, or anything that you put your effort in is not going to go waste. By that I learned that. Eventually everything connect dot, and your life simply becomes easier, your actions become more validated, and everything slowly just connects and floats. So any of this, if they helped you, I hope they do. And if they do not, then try to constantly keep finding things which you believe in but are not helping you, and you can turn that and make things easier. Thank you so much, and do comment one thing that we all believe in but should not. Thank you so much.